All right, topic 6 is basically install SSL and encryption. So once you've gone ahead and created a website, the next important step is to ensure that we have our SSL activated as well. So let's go back to our SiteGround dashboard. So this is our SiteGround dashboard. So you would use the same your email ID that you have used at the time of registration. I mean, registering the domain name. The same username and password is used to come into your dashboard over here. So once you're in the dashboard, you can have a look at it. You can see this is your main dashboard where you have the name server chain URL as well, which we just copied and placed. All these are mentioned up over here. Your unique visitors, the page views, all those information is mentioned. Now, if you want to create an email account, your file manager, basically FTP, your cloud CDN, which I did mention to you, if you want to get that activated, the various applications that's actually there, all those is mentioned here. It's a very easy to use, very UI friendly and non you don't have to, like I said, you don't have to be a techie to understand all this. It's pretty easy and direct usage. So now we would like to go ahead and set up the SSL. So the first thing under security, what you go ahead and click on is your SSL manager. Now you will notice for this you have the SSL manager. Let's click on let's encrypt and click on get. So once you click on get it, your first step forward towards getting it encrypted is being activated. So it'll take about a minute or so for it to get done. Your request is being processed. So once it is processed and once the encryption is completed, then we basically go and switch on or rather activate the HTTPS as well. All right, so we get this saying that let's encrypt is installed for our particular domain. So now what do we do is configure the HTTPS. So basically we go to HTTPS enforce right now, and you see this over here. Just go ahead and get it activated. So once you click on activate, you'll see this success HTTP enforce for WordPress for your particular domain name has been enabled. Now go ahead to your website. You can see this currently is showing as not secure. So let's just go ahead and refresh this particular website now. Can you see the changes now? It is the lock icon is there. So basically means your website is secure. The SSL has been activated. So that's as far as your HTTPS enforce and the encryption is concerned. So the next, we will get into some more of the general settings that we should complete before getting into the actual website development.